Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with Vlogmas Day 12. Day 12. We're almost halfway there, right? 12 more days, it's gonna be Christmas Eve. That's crazy. That's crazy. But don't let that make you feel pressured. Don't feel stressed. Everything gets done. I promise. And if it doesn't get done, it probably didn't need to get done anyway. That's just my own personal experience and my own personal advice. You don't have to take it if you don't want to. Okay, so if you haven't been watching Vlogmas for my channel, this year I've decided to do Vlogmas, and every day I'm going to give you a different idea for a holiday garland that you could make to kind of, bring your stress levels down, maybe deck your halls a little bit, decorate your tree or your home in any, way that you like. So I've got all kinds of different ideas, and they are kind of for all different kinds of personalities and all different kinds of styles and tastes. So today's is definitely Whippy Chick style, okay? It's got lots of color and I like that. However, if it's too much color for you, you can always bring it down a notch by using colors that you like. I just happen to really like these ones. All right, so let's take a look at it. This is from Lovecraft's Crochet. I really like a lot of patterns from Lovecraft's Crochet. Now this is a paid this is a paid pattern. It's $4.66 for the pattern, but they describe it as the Rainbow Holly Garland, and it is a perfect addition to your Christmas decorations. You can hang it on your mantle, you can decorate your Christmas tree with it, you can even use the holly as an ornament if you'd like. So you don't have to string them all together, you can hang them separately on your Christmas tree, and that would look really, really cute. And as you can see, my Christmas tree needs some decorations, but we wait until later on before we decorate our tree. We just have it with the lights on for a long time. So my garland will be coming soon, and I will be able to decorate my tree with my own garland. You'll see it by the end of this Vlogmas, I promise. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this. Maybe you like this garland, maybe you don't. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But also, if you're interested in looking at the other ideas that I've had for Vlogmas, all of the different garland ideas, you can click on the link below. That's going to take you right to my Pinterest board, and it's got all of my ideas right on there. I say my ideas. They're not my ideas. They're ideas that I've found that other people came up with. Okay, making sure I've got that clear. I don't want to claim these. These are not my patterns. They're other people's patterns. People smarter than me. I just like to find them. Okay, I'm getting into that way too deep. I didn't need to do a deep dive there. Anyway, I hope you're having a great holiday season. I hope I see you again tomorrow. We've got another great garland idea for you then. Until then, stay safe and keep crocheting. All right, bye-bye.